Hello everyone, my name is Rita Badi, Dr. Badi, my number is J21A0968. Today I would like to present my individual assignment 1. Okay, based on the new statement below, the factors that cause scheduled poison would be lack of manufacturer awareness, profit motive, lacking regulatory oversight, environmental contamination, and fair traceability system. Okay, the first point will be lack of manufacturer awareness. Food safety regulation can be complex and subject to frequent changes. Plus, the manufacturer may not be literally informed about the specific regulation that applicable to their products. Moreover, most of the employees may not adhere to the proper hygiene practices such as washing hands before handling food or wearing appropriate protectives such as PPE. The second point would be profit motive. This is because in order to reduce costs, some manufacturers may resort by using cheaper, unsafe ingredients or additives. Moreover, most of the consumer demand for the affordable food, and because of this pressure to provide affordable food, it can lead to compromise on quality and safety. The third point will be lacking on regulatory oversight. This is because the weak enforcement of food safety regulation and insufficient inspection of the food processing facilities thus allow contaminated products to enter the market. Moreover, there is lot of the bribery and collusion between food manufacturer and the regulatory officials can undermine efforts to ensure food safety to the consumers. Okay, next it will be environmental contamination. Environmental contamination does include improper use of pesticides and the herbicides in the agricultural crops that can lead to the contamination of the food crops. Moreover, when it comes to the industrial pollution, the toxic waste can contaminate soil, water and air that can indirectly affect food production when we did not discard it properly. When it comes to climate change can exacerbate environmental contamination by altering weather patterns such as heavy rains and increasing the frequency and intensity of the extreme weather events. Okay, the last factor would be fair traceability system. When it comes to the traceability system, ineffective traceability system can make it difficult to trace the origin of the contaminated food product. Moreover, delay recalls can lead to the widespread contamination and public health risks. Okay, the next point would be steps to overcome problems in the government action. Okay, the first point will be empower regulatory oversight. It is to ensure the increased funding for food safety agency and regulatory bodies. Moreover, to implement stricter inspection and monitoring procedures. Plus, the government can impose severe penalties for violations of food safety regulations, and to promote transparency and accountability in the food industry. Okay, for the consumer education and awareness, the government can launch public awareness campaigns to educate consumers about food safety risks. Plus, government can provide information in the media social on how to identify and avoid unsafe food production. Plus, they can empower consumers to make informed choice about the food they consume. Okay, when it comes to the consumer edition, there is two steps to overcome the problem, which is a price action. The consumers can do research and choose reputable brands and retailers. Consumers also can read the food labels carefully to identify if there is a potential allergens or harmful additives. Plus, consumers can be conscious about purchasing food from the unknown sources such as from e-commerce or media social. Okay, the second point would be reporting and vigilance. The consumer need to report if there is any suspected cases of food poisoning or food safety violation to the authorities, so that the authorities can take action quickly. Plus, consumer need to be vigilant and skeptical about claims made by the food manufacturer for their own safety. Okay, the next slide is about the references. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much.